So, this just put me in another good mood. I've drilled holes. You might, well, here we go. Let's go to this side. There's a hole. There's another hole. And there's another hole. Um, yeah, very nervous, but I had originally thought that I was going to have to come through right about here. Now, I got that from seeing a different brand of spoiler and where they would mount. So I didn't think to remove this, and you can see there's a little bit of scoring on it. If this is the only thing I damaged by the end of the day, I'm okay, because this is a little rubber grommet. I could pick a new one of these up. But they designed it to the third mount to go right where this rubber grommet is. So I can return a drill bit that costs 45 bucks. And I've got plenty of room to mount in there. So another little pleasant surprise from a company that gives quality products.